Did you just say heck yeah you do? There we go. Hi guys.
Hi.
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 Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're gonna switch into my month 1, week 3 and 4 aligner. I have them in now, but I just wanted to film the experience for you guys. It's super early and we're up. Pia already had breakfast. It's literally like maybe 9 o'clock now, but we've been up since 6:30. So we're officially moved in our new apartment. I'm gonna put her down. You know, little girl. Things have just been really busy and I totally wanted to film me putting the aligner in for you guys, so I did wait to put it in the morning. So I'm just like some hours behind schedule. Not even a full day. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Also let me know if you're on a smile journey as well. Hey guys. So it's super early and I'm actually a day late changing my trays just because I wanted to be able to catch it and get it on film for you guys. So we are on our way to grandma's house and I'm gonna go to work and then basically wear this new tray all day long, and basically I'm gonna try to give you guys some updates and let you guys know how I'm feeling. This is the tray that I'm gonna be wearing for 2 weeks. And so I have my box here. Pia is in the hallway. Hi. Guys, just bear with me. But yes, okay, so let's go ahead and change our tray. I'm like really nervous because I just brushed my teeth. I do have my aligners in from last night. Like I said, I was supposed to change these yesterday, but I just brushed my teeth. I wanted to wear red lipstick today with my really cute new hoodie that I'm wearing. It's this cropped hoodie, it has Selena on it. It's beautiful. It's like the best hoodie and it has like these really cute roses on the side. So that's what I'm wearing today because it's really cold out and I'm just gonna... Okay guys, so I have my liners here. This is... Alright, so I'm just gonna take my liners out and this is my teeth with them in. Okay guys, and then I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put them in my case. It's here. Okay, in my case here. So, and these are the aligners. Forgive me. Okay, so this is the new one. And I'm gonna honestly tell you, now for some reason I can say my mouth kind of hurts. Alright, so I'm gonna put the bottom ones on first. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I got them in. I have tray top and bottom in, but they feel weird. They always feel so weird. Oh my god. Here, let me put it back for you. So, it literally is like so tight. I think I got a snap that time, but I don't know. But they're these are a little stiff. This is real stiff. Okay, I'm gonna take a chewy. And sometimes you get a little crackling sound when you chew down on them. She has my old aligners. Oh Lord, look at these. You don't even have teeth, and you're still trying to align your teeth. No, that's it. Now I do have these in. I don't know if I like the way that they feel. Like I feel like I have a lot of room at the bottom of my liner. They're just not on all the way, and I feel like this isn't even helping. But they don't hurt. They don't hurt too bad. They don't feel like horrible or anything like that. Like they feel fine. Like I'm used to the way they feel already. I'm not comfortable in a way, but they feel okay. Like I'm adjusting to the fact that I have to wear these aligners to just drop my phone. I'm comfortable enough to know what they feel like in my mouth. But I will say week 2 did kind of irritate my tongue, and I did have to use a little bit of orthodontics wax and like create a barrier so it wasn't scratching my tongue, because that really made me not happy, because I just didn't want to wear them. So yeah, this is what they look like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Okay.